Today I am going to explain how to buy and activate Windows 11 or Windows 10. First we want to buy the product key. So I'm gonna go to web browser and search for TechHubBiz and go to the first link. Now go and select the operating system, where I will select Windows 10 for myself, and you can find many options in Windows 10. And I will select Windows 10 Pro activation key 64-bit 1 PC. And you can just go through the details after the click on buy now. You can give your details and create an account. And agree to terms and conditions and place the order. Let's check out and pay only $4 to buy it, and the order is completed. And you can view the instructions and the invoice for the order. And I have received an email. Let's check it. Yes, they have sent the product key. Let's use it to activate the Windows 10. First of all, you should go to the settings, update security, activation. It says that the Windows cannot find any product key for the Windows to activate. So let's use the product key that we bought now and click on product key and type the product key to activate. And don't forget to read the terms from Windows Software License and click on activate. Let it load for some times. And the Windows is activated successfully. You can check it by going to somewhere else and coming back to activation. Under activation, it says the Windows is now activated. And you can check by going to properties, and under there, under Windows specification, the Windows details are available, where it says it's activated. And now we can access the additional features of Windows 10 or Windows 11. Even we can change the desktop wallpaper. And don't forget to update the Windows to the latest version by Windows Update and Update to prevent malwares. That's all for the video. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.